this video, I'll show you how to send Facebook ads lead to Sendinblue automatically. So assume that I'm running some advertisement on Facebook for which I have created a Facebook lead ad form. Now, as soon as the customer is going to fill that form, I am going to automatically create a subscriber in Sendinblue email marketing application, so that whenever I want to send any kind of email to that lead, I don't need to manually export the CSV file of the leads and import it to the Sendinblue again and again. I am going to sync all the leads with Sendinblue in real time automatically. Want to set this automation for yourself? Come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. So assume that I have created this inquiry form for the school admission for which I am going to run advertisement on Facebook, and I want, as soon as someone is going to make an inquiry from here, the same person should be created as a subscriber, as a contact into my Sendinblue application, for which I will have to first build a connection in between Facebook lead ad and Sendinblue, and I am going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your tasks. And you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you will have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks every month in your account in order to test these kinds of amazing automation. Well, I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I'm clicking on sign in. Then I have clicked on access now, and this is how I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. After which you will have to firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and simply provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I am pasting the name as when new lead arrived via Facebook lead ad form, add it as contact in Sendinblue. Now click on create, and after that you will find two boxes in front of you. So these are actually trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application automatically. And here, according to our use case, whenever a new lead is arrived via Facebook lead ad form application, automatically add that lead into Sendinblue application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. And here currently I am building an automation in between Facebook lead ad form and in between Sendinblue, so that is why I am going to select these two applications. Okay, well, I will select this Sendinblue application later. Alright, so let me first complete the setup of this Facebook lead ad form. Okay, after selecting the application, you will have to choose the trigger event, and I want, as soon as a new lead is arrived, it should instantly be captured into the Pabbly Connect first, and then we are going to send the same lead with the help of Pabbly Connect to different application or to the Sendinblue application. Okay, for that firstly I'll have to build a connection in between Facebook lead ad and Pabbly Connect. So simply click on this connect button, click on add new connection, click on connect with Facebook lead ad form, and I am already logged in into my Facebook lead ad form, basically into my Facebook account. So it has asked me simply for the access, so I have provided the access, and here you will see how your Facebook account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. And here you can see the authorization is successful. I'm sorry for that. And your Facebook lead ad form will be connected with Pabbly Connect. And here you can see whatever the pages are available inside my Facebook account. Okay, so let me even show you that. Here is the pages section, and whatever the pages I have created into my, okay, I think I am actually on one specific page. Alright, so here you can see I have several pages inside my Facebook account, and all these pages are visible here since we are connected. So which page I am going to select? So let me first show you. I have created the page named as Pabbly Tech. Let me first open this page right in front of you, and assume that I'm running a school, and for the marketing of the admissions I have created a Facebook lead ad form. Okay, so basically I'm running advertisement on Facebook for the marketing of my school so that I will get better admission. Okay, so here firstly you will have to select this Meta Business Suite. After that, click on this all tools section, and here you will find an option of instant forms. Okay, so this is how you can reach out to the Facebook lead ad form section, and here I will show you that I have already created a lead ad form with the name inquiry form for school admission. Okay, let me minimize it so that I can show you it very clearly. This is my form, this is how it will look like, and I'm going to collect the name, email, phone number, and in which class your child wants to take admission. These details I'm going to collect from the person, and this is how they can fill that form. Okay, and this is how my form will look like. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this form with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so the page name is Pabbly Tech, so let me search for the very same page name. Here is the Pabbly Tech name. Okay, and asking for the lead generation form, so I'm going to select this inquiry form only, basically the school admission form. Okay, so in this particular page I have several forms, so all those forms are visible, and I will select this particular form. Okay, click on the save and send test request button, and now you will have to read the note. So it is waiting for the webhook response. Log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission and record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission or record means making of a new lead inside our Facebook lead ad form. And from here you can again read the note that please note that after clicking on the save and send test button, you will need to make a sample submission of your lead generation form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Okay, so I am not actually running any live advertisement, I am creating this automation just in the testing mode. Okay, so that is why I am going to create a submission via testing tool only, that is the Facebook lead ad testing tool. Okay, here you can see, you can find the link of the Facebook lead ad testing tool from here, from this particular documentation, and you can find this documentation from here, from this particular hyperlink. Okay, so let me first open this particular Facebook lead ad testing tool. All right, and click on continue. And in this particular Facebook lead ad testing tool, I am going to firstly search for that page name. So let me search for that page name, that is Pabbly Tech. Okay, so this is my page, Pabbly Tech, and after that I will also select this form, and I can preview this form from here. And if I want to create a lead, firstly I'll have to make sure that no existing lead should be created. So let me click on this delete lead. Okay, and here you can see your lead has been deleted, the existing lead has been deleted. Now I will click on this preview form, and it will show me the preview from where I can make a dummy submission. Okay, so assume that the customer is actually interested in the admission, or any parent is actually interested in the admission, and he is about to fill this particular form. Okay, so the name of the parent is dummy person. Okay, or I add something like dummy customer. The email address is admin@pabblytuts.com. all right, asking for the phone number, so I am going to add a 10-digit phone number. All right, I have added the same, and now it is asking for that in which class your child wants to take the admissions. So I am providing the class details as 6th, and finally I'll be clicking on this next button, and you will see how the same details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. All right, so this is the lead ad testing tool. Click on next, and this is how you can also make a dummy submission, a dummy lead ad form submission from here. Okay, I have clicked on this submit button. Coming back to Pabbly Connect, and let me wait for that response. All right, I can close this particular tab. Okay, it is of no use for now. All right, so I'll have to wait for the submission, and here you can see the response is received already. Let me show you the details one by one. So here you can see I have provided the same customer name, the same email address, the same phone number, and the same class. We even have the created time and other details. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Facebook lead ad and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. And now we are going to add the same details to Sendinblue email marketing application. Well, I have already searched for that application, and in the action event I am going to select this create or update action event. Now as we have connected, just like we have connected Facebook lead ad with Pabbly Connect, I am also going to connect this Sendinblue with Pabbly Connect, for which you'll have to choose add a new connection. and it is asking for the API key. So you can directly click on this hyperlink, that is SMTP and API, and because I am already logged in into my Sendinblue application, it will directly take me to that specific page. Okay, click on this API keys, and here from this particular button you can generate a new API key. Simply provide a random name and click on generate, and this is how it will generate a new key for you, which you can paste here. Okay, but I'm not going to generate a new key because I have already made the connection. So instead of generating a new key and pasting it here, I will go with the existing connections only. But make sure if you are building the connection for the first time, you will have to generate this key. Then you can save that key for the future use, and after that, once you have made the connections, you can also go with the existing connection in the second time. Okay, so first thing it is asking us is the contact email. Basically, what should be the subscriber email? So I have already captured those details, and I don't even need to copy this data and paste it here. I'm going to map this data, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Simply select that particular data, and this is how the values will be mapped. Okay, asking for the list. Okay, so whatever the lists are available inside my Sendinblue application, all those lists are visible inside my Pabbly Connect dashboard. Since we are connected here, you can see, and I want to add this particular entry into which particular list, basically into the ticket tailor only. So I'll select the same. Update contact, well, no, it is a fresh lead, so I'll keep it as false only. Blacklist readers and clickers, well, I'm going to leave all this data blank. Finally, I'll provide the last name and the first name. Okay, so where is the name of the person? Let me search for the same, and here we have the dummy customer. Okay, I do not have captured the first name and last name individually, so that is why I'm having the first name and last name in a combined way. But so how about I provide the name data here? Okay, so just in case if you want to capture the same data separately, you can also do the same. Or how about we cross check once whether we have this data separately or in the combined way only? Well, we just have this data in the combined way only. So currently I am going to map this data. I'm going to map the name into the first name field only. Okay, asking for the SMS double opt-in, well, again I am going to leave all this data blank. It is completely up to you that which detail you would like to collect via your Facebook lead ad form and which detail you would like to add into Sendinblue application. Okay, so coming back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'll be clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will see how the same contact will be created. The same subscriber will be added into Sendinblue email marketing application. Currently I do not have any contact, and here let me show you, let me tell you one more very important thing. Okay, so whatever the details you are going to map here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time or in next time. Okay, just in case if I will provide this data manually, that data will remain same. Okay, so this is the importance of mapping in our automation. Okay, and this is how this automation is going to take place. So let me click on this button save and send test request and wait for the response. All right, fingers crossed. And here you can see the response is received already. Let me refresh my Sendinblue applications dashboard. And here you can see one contact has been created, and it is the same person, the same number, okay, the same name of the customer, and we even have the last date, basically last change and the date added. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time someone is going to fill your Facebook lead ad form, the same person will be instantly captured via Pabbly Connect, and then the same person will be created as a subscriber, as a contact into Sendinblue application. And for that, you just need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can simply close Pabbly Connect, sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Just in case if you want to access this workflow in your account, I will attach the link of my workflow into my description box. You just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and the same workflow will be cloned into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.